Here we're going to show you how to implement a change and close a change out using ServiceNow. So as we start this demonstration, we have created a change record. We've run the risk assessment, checks for conflicts, sent it through managerial review and CAB review, and they have approved the change, and now it's waiting for us to implement the change. So we're going to go find that record, and then we'll show you what to do next. Let's start by going in and finding the change record itself. So we'll go to Open. If the particular change record you're looking for is not immediately viewable, then you can use the search fields up here to search for it. So here's the change record. Notice that it's approved and the state is set for scheduled. We'll go down to the bottom, and in that approval process, an implementation task was added to the record here. This is the place where we'll document all of the work that's done for the change. So I'm going to open up that task. Here we'll see the assignment group that it's assigned to. And we can go in and assign a person to this. And then here's where you keep notes about the activities that have happened. You would just put in new work notes here. Each time you save or update the record, anything in the work notes gets put in the activity log down at the bottom, so you can go in and see what's been typed before you. And you would continue to do that until the change was complete. Then you would come in and close the task. And then as you go down to the bottom, you would, as the implementation task owner, now you see that's closed. If there were other tasks that you had created in the change record for other groups to do, then those would all need to be closed complete as well. And it's your responsibility to ensure that those all, not only is the work done in those tasks, but that they are correctly closed out in the record. Once that's done, you would come up to the Schedule tab here, and you'd put in the actual work start and work end dates. So we'll go back in and put in dates. And here we can save the record. So at this point, control of closing the record changes from the person who owns the implementation task to the person that owns the record itself. That may be you in both cases, but if not, then the person that actually owns the change record itself would come in and verify that everything is done the right way. And then they would go to the Close tab, select Completed Successful or whatever close status you need to. And then they would do Complete Change. Once they do Complete Change, the record transfers from the Open list to the Ready for Closure list. And here you can see it here. And the Change Control Board would then go in, and then the Change Management Group would go in, open up that record, and then move it from Ready for Close to the Closed state, and then you would find it on the Closed list. Additionally, while doing the implementation, so that's how to implement and close a change record in ServiceNow.